South Sudan. Sudan, yan. Official, the Republic of South Sudan is a landlocked country in East Africa. It is bordered on the north by Sudan, on the east by Ethiopia, on the south by the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Uganda, and Kenya, and on the west by the Central African Republic. South Sudan diverse landscape includes vast plain and plateaus, dry and tropical savannas, inland floodplains, and forested mountains. The Nile River system is the defining physical feature of the country, running south to north across its center, which is dominated by a larger swath known as the South Sudan has a population of just over 12.7 million in 2024. Juba is the capital and largest city. Republic of South Sudan. Capital and largest city Juba. 04 derajat 31 and 31 derajat 36 Official language English. Recognized national languages Dinka, Naur, Bari, Murlu, Loa, or Anyua, Koli, Siluk, Ari, Jurluo, other Mati, Otuho, Candi, and around 60 other languages. Spoken language Dinka, Bari, Juba, Arabic, Naur, Candi, Tur, Luo, Marli, Siluk, various other. Religion 2020. 60.5% Christianity, 32.9% traditional which 6.2% Islam, 0.4% other or non. Demonim South Sudan's government federal presidential republic under a provincial government. President Salva Kiir Mayardit, Vice President Riek Machar, Speaker Jema Nonu Kumba, Chief Justice Benjamin Bakeng, Legislature Traditional National Legislature, Upper House Traditional Council of State, Lower House Reconstituted Traditional National Legislative Assembly, Independence from Sudan, Autonomy 9 Juli 2012, declared and recognized 9 Juli 2011. Area total 644,329 km persegi or 248,777 SKMI, 41 in the world. Population 2024 estimated up to 12,703,714 80 in the world. Density 13.33 km persegi or 34.5 SKMI, 214 in the world. GDP PPP 2022 estimated total under US dollar 13.6 billion, 157 per capita under US dollar 934, 191 GDP nominal 2022 estimated total under US dollar 4.7 billion, 164 per capita under US dollar 326, 194 in the world. JINI 2016 44.1 medium inequality HDI 2023 up to 0.388 low 193 in the world. Currency South Sudan pound SSP M John UTC clock 2 at calling kode 211 ISO 3166 kode SS Internet TLD.SS registered and operation since 2019. Sudan was occupied by Egypt under the Muhammad Ali dynasty and governed as an Anglo-Egyptian condominium until Sudan's independence in 1956. Following the West Sudan Civil War, the Sudan Southern Autonomous Region was formed in 1972 and lasted until 1983. A second Sudan Civil War soon broke out in 1983 and ended in 2005 with a comprehensive peace agreement. Later that year, Sudan autonomy was restored when an autonomous government of Southern Sudan was formed. South Sudan became an independent state on 9 July 2011. Following 98.8% support for independence in a January 2011 referendum, it is the most recent sovereign state with widespread recognition as of 2025. Sudan descended into a civil war from 2013 to 2020, enduring rampant human rights abuses including forced displacement, ethnic massacres, and killing of journalists by various parties. It has since been governed by a coalition formed by leader of the former ruling faction, Salva Kiir Mayardit and Riek Machar. The country continues to recover from the war, while experiencing ongoing and systemic ethnic violence. The South Sudan's population is composed mostly of Nilotic people, spanning a variety of ethnic, tribal, and linguistic groups. It is demographically among the youngest nation in the world, with roughly half its people under 18 years old. The majority of inhabitants adhere to Christianity or various traditional indigenous faiths, with a sizable Muslim minority. South Sudan is a member of the United Nations, African Union, East African Community, and the Intergovernmental Authority and Development. It is one of the least developed countries in the world, ranking the lowest in the Human Development Index and having the second lowest nominal GDP per capita. Over Burundi. Economy main article Economy of South Sudan. See also list of companies based in South Sudan. Blocks for export. The economy of South Sudan is one of the world's most underdeveloped, with South Sudan having little existing infrastructure and the highest maternal mortality and female illiteracy rates in the world as of 2011. South Sudan export timber to the international market. The region also contains many natural resources such as petroleum, iron ore, copper, chromium, ore, zinc, tungsten, mica, silver, gold, diamonds, hardwoods, limestone, and hydropower. The country economy, as is many other developing countries, is heavily dependent on agriculture. Oil. The oil field in South Sudan have been significant to the economy since the latter part of the 20th century. In 2023, oil constitutes more than 90% of the revenues. The country has the third largest oil reserves in sub-Saharan Africa. However, after South Sudan became an independent nation in July 2011, Southern and Northern negotiators were not immediately able to reach an agreement on how to split the revenue from those southern oil fields. Port Sudan Rotterdam Pipeline Khartoum Nil Bozala Gajira Kadaref Nil Santer Balvanil South Kordofum West Obernil Central West Equatoria Bor El Jabal West Equatoria Barat North Per El Gajal West Per El Gajal South Darfur West Darfur West Kordofum North Kordofum North Darfur. Oil and gas consumption in Sudan 2004. It is estimated that South Sudan has around 4 times the oil deposit of Sudan. The oil revenues, according to the Comprehensive Peace Agreement (CPA), was equally over the duration of the agreement period, since the South Sudan relied on pipeline revenues and Port Sudan's facilities and Red Sea in Sudan. The agreement stated that the government of Sudan and Khartoum will receive a 50% share of all oil revenues. The agreement was maintained during the second period of autonomy from 2005 to 2011. The run up to independence, the negotiator reportedly pressed for a deal maintaining the 50-50 split of oil revenues, while the South Sudan's were holding out for more favorable terms. Oil revenues constitute more than 98% of the government of Sudan or South Sudan budget according to the Southern Government Ministry of Finance and Economics Planning, and this has amounted to more than $8 billion in revenue since the signing of the peace agreement. After independence, South Sudan objected to Sudan carrying $34 per barrel to transport oil to the pipeline to the oil terminal at Port Sudan, with production of around 30,000 barrels per day. This was costing over $1 million per day. In January 2012, South Sudan suspended oil production, causing a dramatic reduction in revenue now, and what cost to rise by 120%. In 2017, Nile Drilling and Services became South Sudan's first locality owned and run petroleum drilling company. Debate in terms of South Sudan external debate. Sudan and South Sudan maintain a direct debate of approximately $38 billion, all of which has accumulated throughout the past few decades. So a small partition of this debate is owned to international institutions as the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund, approximately $5.3 billion according to a 2000 report provided by the Bank of Sudan. The bulk of its debit loss is actually owed to numerous foreign actors that have provided the nation with financial loan, including the Paris Club, over $11 billion, and also non-Paris Club bilateral creditors, over $13 billion. The Paris Club refers to an informal group of financial officials from 19 of the world's most influential economies, influential member nations, as the United States, the United Kingdom, Germany, France, and Canada. Well-known Paris Club bilateral creditor refers to any entity that does not enjoy permanent or associated status as a Paris Club member. Private bilateral creditors, a private commercial bank, and private credit supplier account for the major of the remainder, approximately $6 billion of the total debt. As African Community membership, the President of Kenya and Rwanda invite the autonomous government of Southern Sudan to apply for membership to the East African Community. Upon the independence of South Sudan in 2011, and South Sudan was reportedly an applicant country as of mid-July 2011. Analysts suggested that South Sudan early effort to integrate the infrastructure, including railing and oil pipelines, with systems in Kenya and Uganda, indicated intention to pivot away from dependence on Sudan and toward the AEJ. On 7 September 2011, the Daily Nation quoted a South Sudan MP as saying that while the government was eager to join the AAC, it would likely delay its membership over concerns that its economy was not sufficiently developed to compete with EAC member states and would become a dumping ground for Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda export. This was contradicted by President Salva Kiir, who announced South Sudan had obviously embarked on the application process on month later. The application was initially developed by the AEC in December 2012. An incident with Uganda Boda operator is Sudan or South Sudan created political tension. In December 2012, Tanzania official agreement to South Sudan to join the EAC, clearing the way for the world wish that to become the region Bloodshield member in May 2013. The EAC set a $82,000 for the admission process, starting out of the EAC Council of Ministers meeting in August 2013, was projected to take at least 4 years at the 14th Ordinary Summit held in Nairobi in 2013. The Asia of State approved the verification report that was presented by the Council of Ministers, then directed it to start the negotiation process with South Sudan. Time was formed to assist South Sudan with whoever in April 2014. The nation requested a delay in the admission process, presumably due to South Sudan's civil war. South Sudan Minister of Region Affairs Barnaba Mariel Benjamin claimed public in October 2015 that following unpublished evaluation and meeting of a special technical committee in May, June, August, September, and October, the committee has recommended that South Sudan be also to join the East African Community. South Sudan was eventually approved for membership in East Africa Community in March 2016 and formally accorded with the signature of the treaty in April 2016. South Sudan and the Commonwealth of Nations. South Sudan has pledged to join the Commonwealth of Nations, considering that South Sudan was part of the Anglo-Egyptian Sudan and has two republics in the Commonwealth of Nations, Kenya and Uganda, as neighboring countries. There was an interest in joining almost immediately after the South Sudan independence. Transport made article transport in South Sudan. Road transport with the most common and cabbage means of transport used in the country. The Nile River provides the major water transport in South Sudan. The Nile is a navigable waterway from the Lake Albert, Africa, the Khartoum to Jabal Aulia Dam, Balun Juba, and Uganda. The river requires a channel to make it navigable during part of the years. The rivers are navigable up to Kambala, Ethiopia, and Wau, South Sudan. Passenger atop a train traveling toward Wau. 2 Mi-17 helicopter at Juba Airport. Railway main article. Rail transport in South Sudan. South Sudan has 248 km or 154 mi of single track, 1067 mi 356 in Cargo Railway, then from the Sudan's border to Wau terminals that are post extension from Wau to Juba that are also planned to link Juba with the Kenya and Uganda railway network. Air main article. List of airport in South Sudan. The busiest and most developed airport in South Sudan is Juba Airport, which has regular international connection to Asmara, Entebbe, Cairo, Addis Ababa, and Khartoum. Juba Airport was also the home base of Wizz Airline Company and Southern Star Airlines. Other international airports include Malakal, with international flight to Addis Ababa and Khartoum, Wau, with weekly service to Khartoum and Rumbek. Also with weekly flight to Khartoum. Southern Sudan Airlines also serve Nimul and Akobo, which have private runway. Several similar airports exist throughout South Sudan, the majority consisting of little more than their runway. On 4 April 2012, plans were unveiled to launch a South Sudan Nation Airline, primarily for domestic service at first, but eventually expanding to international service. Water crisis. Further information: water supply in South Sudan. South Sudan nomadic conflict. Cattle camps of the Mundari people in central Equatoria. The water supply in South Sudan is filled with numerous challenges. Although the Will Nile runs through the country, water is scarce during the dry season in areas that are not located on the river. About all, the population does not have access to an improved water source. Defined as a protected, well-standing or handpump within 1 kilometer. The Wau existing people water supply system are over not well maintained, and the water they provide is over not safe to drink. This people returning home put
This is why
jobs
I bring somebody
on
today.
infrastructure,
Tomorrow
and
I
the
kick him out
government
and bring another person. It
institution
is everything that I have tried.
of the sector area weak.
When I
Certainly,
will succeed to get the right person,
funding from numerous government
Ghana based
organizations and non-government organizations
Bulo,
is
Inter,
available
Inter.
to improve water supply.
We have
Numerous
9 solid months.
non-governmental organizations
People have
support
not
water supply
received
in
their salaries.
southern Sudan, such as water is basic.
And
Water
we have
for
money.
South Sudan, the Obaki
The money
Foundation,
from
and with
non-oil
town,
revenues
like region
is
or
enough to
Tariq
pay people
from North
and to do
America
everything.
or Africa.
Let us
Central
believe
Equatoria
that.
is a
you-
state in South
I
Sudan
understand you
with
have
an
been
area of
in the
43,033
National Revenue Authority and you know how
square kilometer
money is being collected from the people.
or 16,000.
Lo masakta kalam deh. Ano mutafi denu mahal kunen na mikla.
It is the
Ita.
smallest of the
Amo,
original
Siapakah?
South Sudan
Catat
state.
tu guru.
It
And
is
then-
previous name was
Find
Ber Al
the
Jafar,
solution.
also Ber Al
The solution
Jabal.
will be
Namat
that you
outer
must have one account. one
Ari
single account.
of the
Because
witness that
buru yang
close
lebih
through the state.
kulu zolen du
It is
account
renamed
butau.
Central
And these
Equatoria
accounts
in the ways
do not come to the people.
interim
Kulu zol bamsi bashir
Legislative
Le-
Assembly
Kabir
on 1
Butau
April
Abu Baru.
2005 under the
Otherwise,
government
we
of
have a lot
Southern
of
Sudan,
money.
Central Equatoria, seconded from Sudan.
I give
As part
you
of the Republic of South
very limited time
Sudan on 9 July
to see what you will
2011.
do.
The state
Dr.
capital
Marial
Juba
expressed
is
gratitude
also
to the
the
President for
national
entrusting him to serve
capital
the
of
nation
South
through the
Sudan.
Ministry of Finance.
On
The
October
minister said he,
2,
together with the larger economic sector, will urgently
2015,
seek
the
to
state
determine
was
a realistic and
split
viable
into
action to address the
3
pressing
states,
economic issues
Tibet,
affecting the nation.
To South
Tareketa,
Sudanese,
and Yei
it
River.
is an opportunity
The state
to
of
tackle
Central
current economic
Equatoria
challenges.
was
Your Excellency, as I take
established
up my duties and
by
responsibilities, I
peace
am alive
agreement
in the reality of
on
the situation.
20 February 2020.
However,
Central
my team in the Ministry of Finance and
Equatoria
the larger economic
country,
sector and I
South Sudan,
will quickly
region Equatoria,
determine a realistic
number
and
of country,
viable
seat
action
capital
to
Juba,
address pressing
government,
economic issues.
Governor Manuel Adil Antoni. Area total 43,033 km persegi or 16,615 to 13 SCMA. Population 2014 estimated total 1,103 592. Time zone UTC 2 at HDI 2020 0.463 low 1 of 10 website https://check.gov.ss. The Dinka people, Dinka Jian, are a Nilotic ethnic group native to South Sudan. The Dinka mostly live along the Nile from Tanggalapur to Reng in the region of Ber El Kachal, Upper Nile to out of 3 provinces that were formerly part of Southern Sudan and the APJ area of the Ngok Dinka in South Sudan. Jian Dinka, Jian, portrait of Dinka men, region with significant population, South Sudan 4.5 million, language Dinka, religion Christianity, Dinka religion Islam, related ethnic group Nor and other Nilotic people. The number around 4.5 million according to the 2008 Sudan census, constituting about 40% of the population of that country and the largest ethnic group in South Sudan. The Dinka refer to themselves as Mon Nyi-chang, singular, and Jing, plural. Origin suku Dinka. Origins: the Dinka originated from the Gezira in what became Sudan. In medieval time, this region was ruled by the Kingdom of Alodia, a Christian multi-ethnic empire in Nubia, living in its southern Barbary and interacting with the Nubians. The Dinka absorbed a sizable amount of Nubia vocabulary from the 13th century. With the disintegration of Alodia, the Dinka began to migrate out of Gezira, bringing raids, military conflict, and drought. Conflict over pasture and pasturage have occurred between Dinka and Nuer as they battled for grazing land. Dinka migration from Gejira and Alodia. The Dinka presence in Alwa suggests a significant historical connection between the Dinka and the Kingdom of Alwa. Culture practices such as the drinking rituals during sowing and harvesting sorghum have similarities to Nubia tradition noted by Ibn Salim al-Zawani, indicating a continuity of influence from Alwa historical account, including manuscripts from the 18th century reference the Dinka Castral this to the Alwas Nubians, with early modern students manuscript readers noting that they are derived from the Anak, a term used by Spalding to describe Eastern Sudanic speaking peoples who were a part of the Kingdom. Sudanic speaking peoples who were a part of the Kingdom of Alodia. Linguistic studies support the idea that the Dinka resided in the Gajira, which were under Al's influence before their migration southward, likely due to political upheaval and increased slavery following Always decline in the 13th century. Third, Nilotic tradition such as human sacrifice and environmental registry further indicate a cultural heritage influenced by Nubia practices. Additionally, 13th century account by Ibn Sa'id al-Andalusi described the Damadim, who were encountered in conflict with the Alodians, neglecting interaction between Nilotic group and Nubia territories. Archaeological evidence, including the tradition of king killing, links the Dinka to later group who lived in Alodia, Keshor said Fajugli, where the custom persisted into the 13th century. The Damatim, a group of African maintained by various medieval Arab faris during the 13th century, may have been ancestor of the Dinka and the other Western Nilotic group like the Leu peoples. They were reported to live southwest of Alodia, possibly in the Jordan, Jazira, or around the Bahr al-Ghazal and Suba region of South Sudan. Step any which suggests that the Dinkas have been visited along the with Nile in the Gazira plain. The Damatim were known for their rich and conquests, notably the king of the Christian kingdom of Alodic capital, Suba, around 1220 ED. During the period, they were referred to as the Tether of the Sudan, due to their simultaneous with the Mongol invasion of Persia. Archaeological evidence from Suba indicated significant destruction, including the plotting of burial cities and the destruction of two major cultures, possibility that to the Damadim conquest. This is the limited sources. The Damadim movement and activities provide a potential link to the later Western Nilotic migration in the South Sudan. It was occurred past 1000 ED and are linked with the introduction of Muhammad Kadal. The Dinka migration southward during the 15th to 18th centuries played a crucial role in shaping their territorial dominance in what is now South Sudan, following the collapse of the Alauddin kingdom and the establishment of the Fuj Sultanate in 1504 by Sultan Amara Dun Khas. The Dinka, alongside other Nilotic groups like the Siluk, moved further south, clashing with the Vuns and other local population. Oral tradition and archaeological evidence suggests that the Dinka depleted and but various groups in their part, including the remnant of the Vuns people who were themselves possibly linked to the Nubia traditional of medieval Alodia. This conflict between the Dinka and the Wuns are well documented in Dinka oral histories, real stories of years battles where the Dinka eventually purchased the Wuns network, allowing them to establish their Sultanate as Zenar, which the Dinka world also read in the following centuries. Over time, the Dinka and Wuns developed more complex relations with Dinka various service as mercenaries in the West province, and Dinka merchants ngay king in the regional slave state. Despite the evolving relation, the Dinka continued to expand in the western and southern territories, solidifying their presence and dominance in much of modern South Sudan. Dinka men with spec necklace and necklace. The Dinka religion, belief, and lifestyle have led to conflict with the Arab Islamic government in Khartoum. The Sudan People Liberation Army, led by Dinka John Garang, took arms against the government in 1983 during the subsequent 21-year civil war. Many thousands of Dinka, along with non-Dinka terms, were massacred by government forces since the independence of South Sudan. The Dinka, led by Salva Kiir Mayardit, engaged in a civil war with the Nur and other groups who accused them of monopolizing power. Christianity. In 1983, due to Sudan's second civil war, many educated Dinka were forced to flee the cities to rural areas. Some were Christians who had been converted by the Dutch missionary society. Among them were ordained clergymen who began preaching in the village. Some embraced producers to teach the mostly illiterate Dinka about the faith. Dinka converted to Christianity and are tending to adopt traditional religious protection to Christian technique. The conversion took place in rural villages and among Dinka figures country. The last portions of Sudan were converted in significant number in the refugee camp of Ethiopia. Dinka massacre. In Article 2014, Pandiu massacres and Juba Nur massacres between 2013 and 2014. Forces led by the Breakaway Maker faction deliberately killed an estimated 2,000 civilians from all Nyaruwang, Tits and Pur, and wounded several thousand. Moreover, much of their wealth was destroyed, which led to mass starvation. That it is estimated that 100,000 people left the area to the attack. The Bahr el-Ghazal, Arabic Bahr el-Ghazal, is a region of northwestern South Sudan. Its name came from the river Bahr el-Ghazal. The name stands status as Sea of Ghazals from Arabic. Bahr el-Ghazal, country South Sudan, capital Wau, area total 210,785.57 km persegi or 81,384.76 SKMI. Population 2014 estimated total 4,296,600. Density 20 km persegi or 53 SKMI. Time zone UTC to sheet. Geography. Bahr el-Ghazal borders the Central African Republic. To the west, it is an area of swamps and Indian steppe plateaus inhabited mainly by the Dinka people, who make their living of subsistence farming and cattle herding, place wool and vertebrates. Administrative division. Bahr el-Ghazal consists of the following states: Lagos, Northern Bahr el-Ghazal, Warab, Western Bahr el-Ghazal, Abyei area between October 2015 and January 2020. The region constitutes of the following states: Western Lagos State, Gate State, Western Lake State, Awel State, Awel State, Ten State, Rich State, Lol State, Gau State, Kogriel State, Abyei area. History. Segera history will. It was historically subject to raids by the waves or fire invaders from the neighboring region of Darfur, the Khedive, and Egypt. Bahr el-Ghazal is province in 1864. Powerful native merchants who set themselves up as branches complete with armies emerged in the area. The most powerful of them, Al-Jubair, fought and defeated a joint Turkish and Egypt force sent to Bel al-Ghazal in 1873. The Caliph conquered, defeated and made Bir al-Ghazal a nominal province of Egypt. With al-Zubair as his governor, it came under Mahdi's control in 1884. When